Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this glass effect in Photoshop. Let's first make background what color you want. Choose the text tool and write what you want. Press Ctrl T to hold anchors and modify it. Choose bold effect to have thick text. Find text layer and click on it. Go blending options. Click this button and select right options you see your screen. Then choose Inner Grow button and select all options right way. Choose Drop Shadow button too. Already you can see some glass effect on your screen. Press OK and close these options. Now you can copy and paste it and write what you want. You can choose what color you want to have in background, but I want to study you how to make more beautiful background. For that, click background layer, go to blending options and go gradient overlay. You can choose what color you want to have in gradient. Now I want to show you how to make glass effect, what object you want. First you have to find in layers, text layer, copy layer style and paste on this circle. In this way you can make glass effect what object you want. Just find layer, copy layer style and paste in object you want to have glass effect. Thank you to watching this video until the end. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me the like.